Hello there, today I show you my hand drawing watercolor portrait from photo. Any type of photography, make your own watercolor painting very easily by 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, so this is the two step. One step, play our script Photoshop action, and second, our template. It's save June because we have there another quality. So see the some previously applied result after and before. This is the original photo, and this is our effect looking after and before. Any type of photography, this effect is matched perfectly, and we have dedicated work the watercolor painting looking in the portrait. Then we brush stroke added the template extra. See the all photography we have that like realistic watercolor painting style, then the brush stroke. So this is our unique and our hidden resource. Our all resources our hidden and our own. So now I show you how to use it and custom it very easily. See, any type of photography you can use very easily apply. So first go my download file, there is show ATN file, help file and template PSD, and this is the pattern. First load the pattern, then apply the script, then template use. So just first show just full work complete in 1 minute. Every layer are separate. Select and double click, it's load your Photoshop, or you can load manually. Go your Photoshop and action panel, click, then action option show, maybe right side, and go window and the pattern option click. Loading purpose, pattern loading person maybe show there, and pattern first we need to pattern load. This more option click and the input pattern, and find out my download file, the hand drawing watercolor from your photo. Select the pattern only and load button click. Now pattern is loaded. I have closed the pattern option, no need this. Action panel set the left side for better showing purpose, and click more option and load option click, and find out my download file. There the file, main file, hand draw watercolor portrait. Select and load button click. Now is loaded up and down option. This is the folder, and this is the our script. Now open a photography. You can read the help file, there is written format, everything. You can open any type of photography. First I have opened this photography now. So make sure your photography is a lock icon, show background name is background and RGB color mode. Just select and hit the play button. This all in on, select and hit the this play button, our action panel, and start working. Deepen your PC configuration and image resolution size. All layer are separate, everything is your control, and I show you the tricks how to customize and how to use overall. And if face any type of problem, then how you can solve. So it's free hand customization, no AI. This is handcraft by Photoshop, hidden resource. You can make your own. So just wait, it's still working. So in this time I will show you my profile. You can purchase the creative Fabrica, MRI Studio Shop. All link I have include my video description. Check out my video description where you can find this file. And this is the our free pick profile, the username, and all link we include. Check the link. And if you think you need to graphics resource, this is our Adobe stock file on the profile. All graphics is there, and nice graphics. Just check out our all graphics, there is available, unique and copyright free product. You can use very easily, everything is included. Now also you can check out my graphics rebar profile, MRI Cocon there, and our creative market shop, MRI Studio. We request if you find out our all product, then you can check out the creative market shop and other shop and subscribe our channel. Okay, back. Hello, they are done. Our script is done. Stop the, this is a stop message. So this is the finishing result. See the quality. Now if you want to brush stroke, then this is the next step. See the option, the watercolor quality, HD quality. This is high resolution image, that's why we need to large view. See, it's nice and details and some extra tricks there. If you think the realistic leaves, now you can select this black marks and the brush tool, and now brush is a small size use, and soft brush in general brush section, and the brush the eye area, then your photography realistic eye is show. See, it's nicely show. Okay, and I have brush there and there and this position. If you want to back it, you can brush and it's back. Top color is white, just click there and brush, solve the issue. Here and any of area, if you think the hair position, you can brush hair position and other position is work very nicely. See the quality. So freehand customization, and this is the extra watershed. So you can if you think you can use, this is the water wash, and you can select this layer and the lace. Think the little use, you can use the little, and there is the other option. So this is not need now. See the posterized style, I think is done. Now I have saved it my JPG format file, or you can use the save export as, and quality grade JPG format, because we have used our template brush stroke template, and I have saved. But you can use any name, that is your choice. Okay, now file is saving, and we go to our download file, and there is the pin template. Open the pin template or double click the PSD file, it's open. See, this is the brush file, HD quality, and you can freehand working there and customize there and make it transparent PNG very easily for sublimation print, any type of print. If you need the transparent PNG, this is the technique I show you. Wait and see. Your photo replace here, double click this option, then open a new window and go our save photo, art, this one, and select the tool, selection tool, or Ctrl A for all select, then copy and go our smart object folder, the new window, and paste there. So if your photography is small size little, then because this template is a high resolution, then transform tool for Ctrl T and make it large. You can custom yourself, don't worry, quality is fine. Think about the quality, because if you are less the template size, then it's fix the quality auto. I think this is okay, and right option, show transform off, and save. Now is saving my main template. Okay, is updating my main template. Check out, our main template is replaced now the photo. See, this is high resolution, that's why it show the option. See, 6000 pixel. If you mark it the inchy, 20 inchy, and 300 dpi, so it's high resolution, and need to full view. This is the view, and check out the quality. every quality is nicely replaced. If you are the Etsy seller or other seller, digital painting sell and print on demand, you can work, you can use our template, our script, so it save your time. Is very realistic. Now I show you how to transparent PNG. This is the paper and background. You just uncheck this option, and now fully transparent PNG, and you can export and quick export as a PNG. See, PNG. Or if you think, you can use the save PSD, transparent PSD, PNG PSD also, and view this one. This is the background, and also you can use the paper. You can uncheck the paper option. Now paper option hide, and color option thing change. You can change the color and double click this option, and you can pick your own color or photographic color. You can use soft color, is very nice. Okay, just OK button click. See, and paper add, you can add the paper, but this time I have not this color. Use this color and very nicely combine, or use the white color. This is the on, and this is the effect of one, and another effect we have include the border style. See, the outside is looking is great. The two flavor, so super time saving and super quality, all are HD, and same way you can transfer needed, hide the background and export, quick export transparent PNG, or save PSD for transparent PSD. Okay, so I request download our copyright product, and use our product, our mention link, visit our profile and check out description. All link are included.